சொல்லு.
Welcome to College
Who wrote Geetanjali? Rabindranath Tagore. He got Nobel Prize for this poem. Goodbye to Miss Puspa was written by Nizam Aikal. An introduction poem was written by Kamala Das. Our Casuarina tree was written by Dorudat. A different history was written by Sujata Bhatt. Annihilation of Caste was written by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Hayavadana was written by Girish Karnad. Who wrote Rudali? Mahashwata Devi. Who wrote A Song of Hope? The poem Kath Walker. The Dying Eagle was written by E.J. Prout. This is a poem. For a more PGTRB English related video, keep watching Kalvi Thedal. Thank you very much.